So we're gonna continue our discussion for the Pentaksiran Sumatif 2 paper 2 paper 2. Okay, look at our number 5. The diagram 5 shows a clock. Okay, state the angle theta subtended by the minute hand if the minute hand is rotated anti-clockwise from number 3 to number 1. Now, if you look at our question here, it's not regarding that one, that time. It's gonna be from the number 3 to number 1. So means what you are going to have over here. First thing first, you are going to have your clock face from number 3. Okay, number 3 is going to be over here. This one 3 to number 1. 90 degree. How can 90 degree? 90 degree is 3 and 12. So by the minute hand, if the minute hand is rotated anti-clockwise from number 3 to number 1. Maksudnya dia 3 ni, dia pergi ke number 1 here. If 12 here is 12 here is gonna be 90 degree kan? Yeah. So 12, 1 over here is gonna be 2 kan? Betul tak? Yeah. So if you have over here, you are going to have, how many is that? 90 divided by? 2. By 2? By 3 lah. 90 divided by 3 times by 2. You are going to get this one is 60 degree. Huh?
90 divided by 3.
Times by 2.
Kenapa times by 2 pula? Because there's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ni.
Imagine lah.
Imagine lah. Ini kan 90 degree. 90 degree is going to be from 12 to 3. How many you got over here? 1, 2, 3, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 90 divided by 3 means that from 12 to 1 is 30 degree, 1 to 2, 30 degree, 2 to 3, 30 degree.
Yes.
So now what you have over here is 1 to 3, isn't it? Sorry, from 3 to 1, right?
Yes.
The question is not asking for counterclockwise or anything. It's asking for the angle. So it's going to be 60 degree.
Oh, macam itu.
This one, no need to do the calculation. You just do 60 degrees straight away. You got the answer 1 marks over here. Given only 1 marks over here, 60 degree. If you want to do the calculation, you are going to have what? 90 divided by 3. You're going to get 30. 30 times by 2. Then you are going to get 60 degree. Can girls? If you didn't have the 60 degree over here, you cannot answer the second question. Why? Okay, if you look over here, because the question is over here asking for you to calculate the value of sine theta. Just now you have the angle theta. So it's going to be related. Continuous. Okay, so just now we have the theta here is 60 degree. So our B here we are going to find sine theta. So without using calculator, straight away you are going to get what?
60.
Hey, sine 60, you are going to get 3 over 2.
How come I remember that?
If you are giving me set 3, I can give 1 mark lah. Set 1. How come set 1? Without using calculator,
Alah, orang ni bukan dia tahu.
If anyone give me the what 0 point something means that one going to be calculator lah. Okay. Any question? No question? I proceed. This one 2 marks given. Okay. 2 marks given over here. If you get this one correct, this one correct. This one P1 only. Okay. 3 marks given. Okay. Now we go for our questions number 6. Okay. For the questions number 6 over here. The diagram 6 shows a trapezium representing the position of port W. Mana port W? Over here. Okay. And we are going to have 3 ship. Okay. Which means we have ship P. Where is it? Over here. Okay. Ship Q is gonna be at 6-1 here. And we have ship R. Where is it? 4-5 there. Okay. Drawn on a Cartesian plane. The question. Find the equation of straight line connecting shape P and also shape Q. What the question asks is gonna be our equation of a straight line. So if you want to find the equation of straight line, what you must find first?
Gradient.
Gradient. So how you are going to find between ship P and ship Q there?
Ada part W dengan ship Q, ship R. Sebab dia parallel dengan ship Q dengan ship D.
Good. If you look over here, you didn't have ship P coordinate, isn't it?
Yes.
So how you want to find the gradient?
Ambil yang atas.
So you are going to relate over here. The gradient for our parallel line, W and R, you are going to get the gradient with our P and Q. It's going to be same gradient. So means that you have over here by using what? X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So the gradient for our WR over here, we are going to get Y2, 5 minus Y1, 2 over X2, 4 minus X1, negative 8. So 5 minus 2?
1/4.
Oh, straight away, 1 over 4. Okay, 1 over 4. Ya ke? Okay, dia guna calculator teruslah dapat. Okay, so this means you are going to get also for the gradient for PQ. Isn't it, class? Okay, next. What you must find? Because you are going to have for our equation of straight line is going to be y equals to mx plus c. So we are going to use ship Q coordinate, isn't it? Do not use W and R lah, it's not connected because we are going to have P and Q. So what you are going to have over here by using this one by using X and Y, we are going to substitute into the equation. Y is 1 equals to 1 over 4. And this is going to be 6 plus with C. So you are going to get your C over here is going to be negative 1 over 2. Now you have already the gradient. You have already the y-intercept. So you are going to get your equation is going to be y 1 over 4x minus 1 over 2. This is going to be your final answer. Easy kan? Easy peasy. Okay, now the question is asking you to find what? The coordinates of ship P. What did you have over there?
0.
What is 0?
X.
Yes, because it lies on our y-axis. So means that automatically you are going to get your x here is 0. Means we need to find our y, isn't it? Yes. So just this one also is going to be related. Why? Because if you didn't got A answer is correct, you cannot get B correct. Tengok. So B here, we are going to substitute 0y in our equation, which is y. We are going to find y here. 1/4 times with 0 minus with 1/2. So means that your y here is going to be negative 1/2. Is it going to be our answer? No. The question is asking for you to find coordinates. Coordinate you must put 0, negative 1/2. This one should be your final answer. If you give only y equals to negative 1/2, is it your coordinate? No. Can girls? Any question? No question, I'll proceed to the next one. Okay. The diagram 7 shows a rectangular playground. The width of the playground is 2 meters less than its length. Okay. The question given over here is what? Here. This one apa ni?
What is the X?
Yalah, X is going to be what? The length. This is going to be the length for our rectangular playground. So the question here said the width. Did we have our width over here? No. The width is going to be over here lah. Kan? It say what? 2 meter less than the length. What does it mean? Yes, x minus 2. You tak dapat x minus 2, you cannot answer this question. Okay, now, given that the area of the playground is 48, how we are going to get area, girls?
Length times width.
Yes. Area equals to the length times with our width. Now, what you are going to do? Substitute. The area is going to be 48 equals to the length here is going to be x times with the width going to be x minus 2. Now, what you are going to do? Yes. X squared minus 2x. Bring 48 to the other side. Minus 48. Equals to 0. What you have over here? You have quadratic. You have calculator. Okay. Now what you are going to do? Yes, the question is asking for you to find the length of x. Means that we are going to use our calculator to have our factorization. Am I right? So you are going to get your first x is going to be what? First 8 and second one? Negative 6. This one ignore straight away. How come lah kita punya length nak jadi negatif kan? But for your information, please do the factorization first ya. Yes, x plus 6 equals to 0. So the question over here, our answer going to be x equals to 8. That's going to be your answer. Can? Easy, right? Yes. Sekejap, saya tutup dulu kita punya recording. Nanti masuk suara you. Back our recording here. Okay, finish. Okay, now we are going to look at our questions number 8. Okay. Oh, saya punya ni tak nampak lah sekejap ya. This one y, yang ni 8, yang ni 8, yang ni x, yang ni 0. Okay. So what we have over here, the diagram shows a shaded region that satisfies three inequalities. Nampak tak kelas? Dia dah bagi tahu dah three inequalities. Okay, on our Cartesian plane. So, determine whether point 8, 8 satisfy the shaded region. So look first in our diagram over here. If you look, it says three inequalities. First inequalities is going to be this line. Second inequality is going to be this straight line. The third inequalities is going to be alamak tak nampak ni. If you look over here, it's only one dash line, right? One dash line. Okay. So, the question is asking 8, 8. 8, 8 is going to be this one. So, is it our 8, 8 is going to be in the satisfy the shaded region? Yes or no? No, not satisfied. That's the simple answer. Yes or no only. You put yes, incorrect. No, correct. 1 mark. Why no? Because if you look, it say that 8, 8. Okay, is gonna be from the three inequalities here. Supposedly, supposedly lah for this question, the B1 is going to be A is going to be B lah. You have the three inequalities, then you can determine whether it's going to be satisfy the shaded region or not. Faham tak maksud saya? Sepatutnya soalan dia macam ni.
So kena buat B dulu lah.
Kenapa bonus pula? Okay. It's not me who. Okay. Okay. Look for our three inequality. The first one, if you look over here, we have what? The blue one. The blue. Okay, the line over here is going to be y equals to 8. But the region is going to be below. And you are using solid line. Yes. The first one you are going to have over here, y less than and equals to 8. Y less than? Below. Y I have equal? Solid line. Okay, second one. Second one I use the yellow lah, yellow. If you look over here, this one x equals to 8. But dotted line. So dash line ke dotted? Dash line lah. Dash. Dot. Yang ni dot. Okay. As long as you know that it's going to be not equal, kan? So it's going to be on the left. So x here less than 8.
So actually letak apa tu yang equal to. So okay, then mistake.
Cannot lah. One correct answer, 1 marks this one. Because this one given to us how many marks? 4 marks only.
Sorry for me trying. You already used 2 marks.
Okay. The third one. The green one. The green one here is going to be a little bit work to do. Why? Because this one you have to have your equation. Okay, so over here if you look, gradient dulu. Gradient apa?
8 dengan kosong, and then kosong dengan 8.
I'm using the y negative y intercept over x intercept. Can? So I'm going to have y equals to negative x. My c over here is going to be 8. Kan? So that's gonna be our equation. But how about our inequalities? They're up, above. And solid line? So y more than n equals negative x plus 8. One more marks given. Thank you. Okay, so now we are going to answer our question A. Look at A back. Kan? 8. Tak enough. Why? Because 8 is gonna be not in our what? The yellow one, right? Dia duduk atas tu, dia satisfy our blue one, but it's not satisfy the X one, kan? Faham tak? This one kan 8. What does it mean? It's only satisfy for our Y. Why satisfy? Why? Because Y less than n equals to 8. But is it for our X, the orange one, satisfy? No. If the question give 7, 8, yes. 8 cannot. Because our X there is less than 8. That's why I said the question supposedly B first, then A lah. Next question. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Our questions number 9 going to be probability. Okay. Table 9 shows the number of visitors visiting a mini zoo in 2 days. Okay. So we have Saturday and Sunday, man and woman. The probability that a man visitor chosen from the total number in the 2 days is 3 out 7. Where is it?
Apa tu?
Tu soalan dia. The probability that a man. Mana man? Ni man. Yang atas tu M-E-N, bawah tu M-A-N Okay, tak apalah. Chosen from the total number. Total number. What does it mean by total? You are going to plus together lah. So you are going to get 3 out of 7. Faham? So calculate the value of x. How? So you know that to find our probability, how? You are going to get the total. Total here is going to be 7 there. 7 there is going to be from where?
From
everything there lah. Total.
7 lah kan, sir?
Yes kan. Apa maksud total? Total here, yes.
Tapi dia kata man, sir.
Ya Allah, how you going to find the probability? Because the question here asking for man kan? You mesti ambil man over the everything. Yes. Total over here you are going to get for man 120 plus x. And then for woman 165 and 235. You are going to plus also 165 plus with 235.
165 plus 235 is 400.
So plus with 120?
520.
520 plus with our x. That's going to be our total. So how did we want to find our probability? Probability you are going to get because this one is asking for the man only, right? Probability for the man, we are going to get the total of our man. Now we are going to have our man over the total with the woman. This one. So you have over here the probability of the man is given to us is 3 out of 7. Am I right?
Yes.
Equals to, did we have the total for man only?
No,
This one.
120.
Yes, 120 plus with x over Yes, 520 plus with x. Cross multiplication. So you can find your x. If you don't have that one, bye-bye. Yes? Yes. Okay, until you have this one, then you can use your cross multiplication. You are going to get this one. 3 times with 520 plus x equals to the other one 7 times with 120 plus x. Do the expand. Bring our x to the left side. Bring our number to the right side. Then you are going to find the equation. Nanti sabarlah. Take picture. Oh, meet teacher.
Kalau dia minta probability woman, 7/7 minus 3/7 kan?
Probability of woman. 4/7 lah.
4/7 kan?
1 minus with our man is 3/7, so 4/7 lah. This is for woman. 7/7 is going to be whole lah. Okay, so this one you are going to get what? For x equals to 720, so your x here is going to be 180. Can? What you must know here is how you get your probability. Itu je. If you don't know how to get your probability, so it's quite tough lah for you to find your value of the x. Okay? Any question? No question. Wait, sir. Okay, yes. Saya ada.
Why not full marks? Why only
2, 3, 4. Full marks.
okay. Oh, thank you.
4 marks given there. The upper one there, 2 working there. I give to you. K1, K1. Thank you. Okay, can I proceed to the next question? Oh, sir, wait. Okay. Wait ya, I'm going to pause for the video. Habis viewer saya habis semuanya. Okay. Okay, now we are going to look at our questions number 10. Okay, table 10 shows the annual premium rate per 1,000 face value of a yearly renewable life insurance offered by Syarikat Insurance PQR. State one factor that determines the premium rate of the insurance. This one mark given only. So you are going to have 2. Yes, 2 answer. But I'm going to have only 1 marks given lah. First, either you are going to state as your age as the answer, or I can gender also can. And one more. Yes, that one also 3 lah. Either one jangan you kata cikgu saya bagi 3 markah. No. Only 1 marks given.
Smoking status ke? Smoking status ke atau
smoker, non-smoker lah. Okay. Smoker, non-smoker. Oh, status boleh juga. Okay. Okay, Mr. Akimi. Okay, our B is 37 years. Okay, 37. Straight away, look at 37. And he is not a smoker. So he. You are going to look at male ada orang tengok female. Okay. Not a smoker over here. He allocates a monthly premium of 60 ringgit. Okay. The question, calculate the total yearly renewable life insurance that has been bought by Mr. Akimi. I think this one given to you the formula, right? Ada tak formula dia?
No.
Tak ada formula. Kesiannya. Tak ada formula kan?
Tulah sedih.
Sedih. Mari kita sama-sama menangis.
Sir, bonus sir.
Ikutlah.
Ni ke?
Number 10.
Baru nak minta bonus.
Korang ni.
Sir, tolong apa? Dasar.
Number 10. Suka hati je kata tak ada. Mana boleh tak ada. Okay, first thing first. The premium here is going to be the face value of the policy divided by X times by the premium rate per RMX. Okay, if you look over here, okay, monthly premium is going to be 60 ringgit. Because we are going to find for yearly, is that what you are going to do first? Yes, 60 times by 20, by 12, 20 pula. Yeah. That one mark. No, this one given 2 marks. Well, let me finish first, Let me finish first. Okay, this one you are going to get 720, am I right? Okay, 720, this one, if supposedly we are going to have what? Face value of the policy divided by RMX. That's what we didn't know. Times with the premium rate. Okay, face value over here is going to be 1,000. So X over 1,000 times by 2 ringgit and 26 cents. How did we get 2 ringgit 26? 6 lah. 6 there. Table. If you give 720, can lah. Yalah. Because this one 2 marks kan. Supposedly you are going to write this like this. I'm going to give you 1 mark. After that, you are going to find your X is going to be 318,584.07. This one should be our final answer lah. Yes. Lepas tu bagi 1,000. Bahagi?
Tak sir, kita orang punya cara.
Oh, you punya cara. Can I proceed? Yeah. Okay, this one given. If you didn't have the answer here, if you give me 60 times 12 equals to 720, then give you 1 mark lah. Okay, so I finish first our recording here about